And let's take a look here at the latest market action. Obviously, we got economic data today. We got continued pressure on the banks today as well. Right now, the Dow is leading the way downward here, which is not what we have seen in recent days, right? We've seen the NASDAQ mostly lead things. So let's see. Will this magically work for me? No, it will not. So let's go on over to the heat map here because I do want to continue to watch the banks in today's session. They are helping lead the way downward. Actually, let's confirm that. Let's take a look at the sectors here. Actually, energy stocks are down more as a group because we've got a plunge in oil prices that is also occurring. Just to throw one more thing in today to everything else we're watching, oil prices have been down sharply, materials also down, and then you get to the financials, which are down 3%. Of course, the financials weighted more heavily, but all of the industry groups in the S&P 500, as represented here by the ETFs that track them, are trading lower. Now back to the banks here, because this is really continues to be the story that we're watching. Yes, we got the Fed. Yes, we got economic data. Yes, we got oil prices. But the banks here are in focus once again. A lot of that having to do with what is going on with Credit Suisse. It's up off the lows. Great. It's still down 18%. Up off it was earlier down as much as 25% on concerns about just the bank's fundamental business, I guess you could say, and whether it's going to need more cash, whether it's going to be able to get it after one of its biggest investors said, well, it's not coming from us. Regional banks today, if you look at how they're performing, maybe not quite as bad as we have seen in recent days, but still not great, right? You got PacWest down 19%. You have First Republic. Its debt was downgraded to junk over at Moody's, at S&P downgrading its debt to junk. So it's down another 12%. So still a lot of stress being felt here on the part of investors and wondering what's going to happen next.